Bonjour guys, it's Saturday morning. I'm about to have lunch and I thought that I would take you for a little Parisian weekend lunch salad. I'm pet sitting my friend's cat this weekend, so it's gonna be a very chill weekend. I want to go to the market, to the farmers market tomorrow morning, but today's Saturday is basically gonna be a home day, like and at the moment it's 3:20 p.m. Like I've been chilling at home. I've been chilling at home, you know, I just needed that. I just need a break. But what I did, I worked from the couch a bit, and also I have a trip scheduled with my friend to the south of France. We will be going to Marseille in 2 weeks for a little weekend. So I booked everything for us and I found the cutest bed and breakfast. I'm so excited for that. Also, my friend is coming from Chicago, so I'm so happy that she's gonna be here. I don't think I told you already about that. This is my friend Olga. If you follow me on Instagram and on TikTok, you know her already probably. I love her. Like, we met on a flight from Paris to Chicago, like just like in a movie, so I'm excited for that. Anyway, I will have lunch and I want to show you Peanuts, Cacahuètes. This is the cat I'm pet sitting. He's so cute. That's a fail. So the next technique is to get a treat. So let's try. He's just gonna hear the noise. Wait. Ah! He's gonna hear the noise and he's gonna come. Look who is here. Peanut. 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 What happened? Boy. Good boy. Oh, big stretch. This is the outfit of the day, just to chill at home. This is not a skirt, this is skirt, that's how you say. And basic t-shirt from Uniqlo. Fun fact, Uniqlo friends blocked me on Instagram. I guess they didn't like my outfits when I tagged them, so that's it. Yeah, outfit of the day, and I have some packages, so let's do an unboxing. PR haul. Boop. We have 2 packages to unbox together. I already know that these are beauty products. Start with the small one. ASMR. This is a they call that Extraordinary Water Hydra Plumping Essence. It's with roses and hyaluronic acid. Yeah, it's from this brand called Melvita. It's a French brand. Boop. Excited to try. And then the second one, I know that this one is from Sisley. I'm so happy when I receive these products because every time they put a little note in it. I love that. Oh, that's cute. Ooh. Okay, so first we have this energizing foaming exfoliant. It's for the body, yes, with essential oils of lavender and rosemary. Wow. Stop. And I see their packaging even inside, like, that's luxury. You love that. And then the second product, it's for the face. It's a self-tanning, hydrating facial skincare. This one, I I was gonna say I've never used self tanning, which that's false. I used it once for the body and I didn't really like it, so I ended up, I have a full bottle at home, not from Sisley though, I can't remember the brand. It's from this American brand called Saint-Tropez, which is a good one. Maybe I just don't know how to use it. Let's see, oh, that's cute. I'm excited to try it. How do they say? Apply a thin, even layer onto clean, dry skin. Wash hands after use. All right. I will try that tomorrow morning, maybe. I don't know if I can use it at night. And anyway, I will do a separate review for that. I changed and we're gonna get some groceries real quick. This skirt, I absolutely don't remember where I got it, but I love it and I don't stop wearing it during spring and summer. I'm wearing my Vans, love them, Uniqlo tee, mango bag, you know it already. Let's go! I would like to get things to make a cake tonight. It's just gonna be me at home, me and the cat. So I just have to think what I want to do. Maybe some chocolates, salted caramel. We'll see. Alexa, baisse le son. Okay. Back from groceries. Santé. So this is a glass of rosé and you're gonna think I'm crazy, but this is actually delicious. I added some very fresh Sprite in it and it's so good. That's the first time I tried it. So I have a little toast here. It's not beautiful, but it's gonna be yummy. With eggs, avocado, mozzarella, seasoning. No. We're gonna have a chill night with Peanut, who's just here. Hey, baby. And oh, he's cuddling my legs. And we're gonna have a chill night. I'm just gonna do my skincare, listen to music, edit this vlog. And I'll be posting it tonight, I hope. I'm trying to be consistent, guys, so. Hi, baby. Good morning. Hi, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Hi. Good morning, guys. It's 9:30 and we're getting ready to go to the farmer's market. I'm not naked. I just showered. So I'm gonna get ready and let's go. To go to the market. I'm wearing these little shoes. They look like Gucci's, but I got those at Zara 3 years ago. They're just so comfy. Glasses, big bag for fruits and vegetables. And let's go.
Dominique. C'était pour nous, là 27 par 4. C'est lourd. Lourd. espagnol.
Market done. I'm walking back home. I got my melon and I got figs. They were for a really good price. Generally, they're super expensive, so I was happy to find some. I got cheese and so many good things. I'm just gonna end up the vlog here. It's been a very chill Sunday. I had a nap. I chilled in my shirt. I cuddled with peanuts. And yeah, just a real Sunday. I hope you had a beautiful weekend and I see you soon. And oh, you say bye, Peanut? You say bye? Good boy.